It's easy to transform your floor jack into a transmission jack using the Performance Tool transmission adapter. Here's how to assemble your adapter. Thankfully, many of the components come assembled right out of the box. Note how the bushings and snap rings have already been installed. Start by threading the adjustable tilt knob through the threaded bushing on the bottom of the adapter. It will require a lot of rotations to get it to reach the other bushing on the underside. Once it's through, affix a washer and a nut to secure the knob in place. Turn the adapter over. Install the mounting bracket frames on either side of the main platform. Install all 4 mounting brackets with the sloped portion facing toward the platform. These will be the cradle on which the transmission rests. Don't tighten these completely yet. You'll want to slide them in place to fit your specific transmission. On the mounting brackets, install the chain hook assembly with the hook facing out. The chain will be placed on the opposite side and will add security once the transmission is resting on the adapter. This adapter can only be used on floor jacks that have a removable saddle. The adapter should never be rested on top of the jack and should be installed properly every time. In this case, we're removing the saddle of the floor jack and using the included fitting to mate the jack to our assembled unit. Thread the saddle fitting onto the jack and place the adapter on top of the fitting. Use a hex key to tightly install the hex screws on either side of the fitting. Use the tilt handle to find the angle you need to receive and support your transmission. Adjust the mounting brackets to fit the transmission securely. This adapter turns a regular floor jack into a transmission removal and install tool, saving you money and time. Happy wrenching!